Paradise found, a Caribbean gem, Jamaica, a name synonymous with paradise. Turquoise waters lap at pristine beaches, emerald mountains pierce the sky. A tapestry of vibrant culture thrums with life. This Caribbean jewel, a beacon of natural beauty and captivating rhythm, draws millions each year to its shores. They come seeking escape, adventure, a taste of paradise. And paradise it is. Bob Marley's melodies drift on the warm breeze. The aroma of jerk spices tantalizes the senses. The warmth of the Jamaican people, their infectious laughter, welcomes visitors with open arms. From the heights of the Blue Mountains to the depths of the luminous lagoon, Jamaica offers a sensory feast, an experience unlike any other. But this paradise, like all earthly havens, faces a challenge. The very allure that draws visitors threatens the delicate balance of this island ecosystem. Can we explore this tropical Eden without leaving behind indelible? The other side of paradise, a call for change. Tourism, for all its benefits, casts a long shadow. The thirst for paradise can inadvertently lead to its degradation. Pollution mars the once pristine landscapes. Local communities, the heart and soul of Jamaica, struggle to reap the benefits of this influx of visitors. The question arises, can we redefine travel, transforming it from a force of harm to a catalyst for good? This is where ecotourism emerges, not as a trend, but as a necessity. Imagine a world where tourism empowers local communities, where every dollar spent contributes to the preservation of this island paradise. Imagine a journey where respect for nature and culture is paramount, where the footprints we leave behind are light and healing. This is the promise of Jamaican ecotourism. It's a journey into the heart of sustainability, a testament to the power of responsible travel. It's a movement gaining momentum, driven by the desire for a better way to explore our world. But can this vision of responsible tourism truly take root and blossom? The price of paradise. Unveiling the hidden costs. The allure of paradise often masks a sobering reality. The very things that make Jamaica so captivating, its beaches, its reefs, its lush landscapes, are under increasing pressure. Tourism, while a vital part of the Jamaican economy, can unwittingly contribute to environmental degradation. Waste disposal, often inadequate in the face of mass tourism, poses a significant threat. Plastic waste, a scourge on our oceans, washes up on once pristine shores. The carbon footprint of travel, from air travel to energy consumption, contributes to the global climate crisis, impacting Jamaica's delicate ecosystems. Development, fueled by the demand for tourist accommodations, can encroach upon natural habitats. The balance, so carefully maintained for millennia, is disrupted, leaving behind a trail of ecological damage. This unsustainable trajectory, if left unchecked, threatens to diminish the very beauty that attracts visitors in the first place. Communities at a crossroads, a struggle for balance. The human impact of unsustainable tourism is equally profound. Local communities, the heart and soul of Jamaica, often find themselves marginalized. The economic benefits of tourism don't always trickle down, leaving many communities struggling to maintain their livelihoods and preserve their cultural heritage. The tourism industry, while providing employment, can sometimes trap locals in low-paying jobs with limited opportunities for advancement. The influx of visitors, while often well-intentioned, can inadvertently lead to cultural commodification, where traditions and customs are packaged and sold, losing their authentic essence. This imbalance, this disconnect between the tourism industry and the communities it impacts, creates a sense of unease. The very people who give Jamaica its unique character, its warmth and vibrancy, deserve to be at the forefront of the tourism experience, not relegated. A time for reckoning, confronting the shadows of tourism. The challenges posed by unsustainable tourism are undeniable, but they are not insurmountable. Jamaica, with its indomitable spirit and deep connection to its natural heritage, is rising to the occasion. A growing movement fueled by a shared vision of responsible travel is taking root. There's a growing awareness that the path forward lies in acknowledging the shadows of tourism while amplifying the light of sustainable practices. This requires a collective effort, a commitment from stakeholders at all levels: government, businesses, local communities, and tourists themselves. The journey ahead will demand open dialogue, innovative solutions, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. But the potential rewards are immense, promising a future where tourism becomes a force for positive change, preserving Jamaica's natural beauty. Guardians of nature, protecting Jamaica's natural heritage. The beating heart of Jamaican ecotourism lies in its unwavering commitment to conservation. Across the island, a network of dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect Jamaica's natural heritage for future generations. From the depths of the ocean to the peaks of the Blue Mountains, conservation initiatives are taking root. Divers carefully tend to coral reefs, nurturing these underwater gardens back to life. Reforestation projects are restoring Jamaica's lush forests, providing vital habitats for endemic species. Research projects delve into the intricate workings of Jamaica's ecosystems, providing valuable data to guide conservation efforts. Educational programs empower local communities to become stewards of their environment, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. These guardians of nature, driven by passion and purpose, are the unsung heroes of Jamaican ecotourism. Their efforts are not merely about preserving the beauty of this island, they are about safeguarding the delicate balance of life that sustains. A tapestry of experiences, rediscovering Jamaica through ecotourism. Forget the pre-packaged tours and crowded tourist traps. Ecotourism in Jamaica is about embracing a different pace, venturing off the beaten path to discover the island's hidden gems. Imagine hiking through the rainforest, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. Picture yourself kayaking through a serene mangrove lagoon, the water reflecting the vibrant hues of the sky. Envision yourself exploring a coffee plantation, learning the ancient art of cultivating these aromatic beans. From bird watching in the Blue Mountains to horseback riding along pristine beaches, Jamaican ecotourism offers a tapestry of experiences, each one designed to connect you with the island's natural beauty and cultural richness. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, engaging with communities on their own terms, and leaving behind nothing but footprints and memories. It's about rediscovering the true meaning of travel, embracing a journey that nourishes the soul and leaves a positive impact. The treasure of Treasure Beach, a beacon of hope. On the sun-drenched south coast of Jamaica, nestled between rolling hills and the azure Caribbean Sea, lies Treasure Beach. This isn't your typical tourist hub, but rather a sanctuary where the rhythm of life beats to a different drum. Here, amidst the fishing villages and the gentle sway of coconut palms, a remarkable story of ecotourism unfolds. For generations, the people of Treasure Beach lived in harmony with the sea, their lives intertwined with the ebb and flow of the tides. Fishing provided sustenance, while the land, nurtured by generations of farmers, yielded its bounty. But as the world beyond their shores beckoned with promises of modernity and progress, Treasure Beach faced a crossroads. Tourism, the siren song of economic growth, threatened to engulf their traditional way of life. Yet the people of Treasure Beach, fiercely proud of their heritage and deeply connected to their land, envisioned a different path. They wouldn't let tourism dictate their destiny, they would shape it in their own image. Thus began the journey of Treasure Beach, a journey guided by the principles of ecotourism, a journey that would transform their community and inspire the world. This wasn't just about attracting visitors, it was about preserving their identity, empowering their people, and safeguarding their natural treasures for generations. From turtles to tourism, a community transformed. At the heart of Treasure Beach's ecotourism success lies a creature both ancient and vulnerable, the sea turtle. These gentle giants, once hunted for their meat and shells, found a safe haven on the shores of Treasure Beach. Recognizing the ecological and cultural significance of these creatures, the community rallied together to protect them. What began as a grassroots conservation effort blossomed into a thriving ecotourism initiative. Local fishermen, once pursuers of these creatures, became their guardians, guiding visitors on nighttime turtle watching tours. The income generated from these tours not only provided an alternative livelihood for the fishermen, but also funded conservation efforts. This profound shift from exploitation to conservation rippled through the community. Farmers embraced organic farming practices, reducing their impact on the environment and providing healthier food for locals and tourists alike. Guest houses, designed with sustainability in mind, sprouted up, offering visitors an authentic taste of local life. Treasure Beach was no longer just a place to relax on the beach. It was a living, breathing example of how ecotourism could empower communities, protect the environment, and create a more sustainable future. The turtles, once symbols of vulnerability, had become emblems of hope. Weaving a tapestry of sustainability, a holistic approach. The success of Treasure Beach's ecotourism model lies not in isolated initiatives, but in a holistic approach that weaves together environmental conservation, economic empowerment, and cultural preservation. It's about recognizing that these elements are not separate entities, but interconnected threads in the intricate tapestry of sustainable development. Education plays a pivotal role in this endeavor. The Treasure Beach Foundation, a community-based organization, conducts workshops and training programs, equipping locals with the knowledge and skills to thrive in the ecotourism sector. From hospitality management to sustainable farming practices, these programs empower individuals to become active participants in their community's development. Moreover, Treasure Beach has embraced the concept of community tourism wholeheartedly. Visitors are encouraged to engage with locals, to learn about their traditions, and to participate in activities that celebrate the island's rich cultural heritage. This fosters a sense of mutual respect and understanding, breaking down the barriers between visitor and host. By embracing this holistic approach, Treasure Beach has created a model of ecotourism that extends far beyond the traditional boundaries of environmental conservation. It's about creating a more just and equitable society, where tourism benefits all members of the community, from the fisherman casting his net to the artisan crafting wares. The ripple effect, spreading the seeds of change. The impact of Treasure Beach's ecotourism success story extends far beyond the borders of this small coastal community. Like a stone cast into a pond, the ripples of their efforts are spreading throughout Jamaica and beyond, inspiring other communities to chart a more sustainable path. Recognizing the transformative power of Treasure Beach's model, communities across Jamaica are seeking to replicate their success. From the lush rainforests of the Blue Mountains to the pristine shores of Portland, ecotourism initiatives are taking root, driven by the desire to protect Jamaica's natural beauty while empowering local communities. Moreover, Treasure Beach has become a beacon of hope for the global ecotourism movement. Their story serves as a testament to the fact that sustainable tourism is not an elusive ideal, but a tangible reality, achievable through community engagement, innovative thinking, and an unwavering commitment to conservation. As the world grapples with the challenges of climate change and the unsustainable practices of mass tourism, Treasure Beach stands as a shining example of what is possible when communities come together to protect their natural heritage and chart a more equitable and sustainable path for future generations. A model for the future Treasure Beach's enduring legacy. As the sun sets over Treasure Beach, casting long shadows over the tranquil sea, one can't help but feel a sense of hope. This small Jamaican community, once facing the daunting challenges of globalization and environmental degradation, has shown the world a different way. Their story is a testament to the power of community, the resilience of nature, and the transformative potential of ecotourism. It's a story that reminds us that tourism doesn't have to be a destructive force. It can be a catalyst for positive change, empowering communities to protect their natural and cultural heritage while reaping the economic benefits of responsible travel. The legacy of Treasure Beach extends far beyond its idyllic shores. It serves as a blueprint for a more sustainable future for tourism, a future where communities are empowered, the environment is respected, and the beauty of our planet is preserved for generations to come. It's a future where the true treasures of travel are not measured in profits, but in the shared experiences, the cultural exchanges, and the unwavering commitment to protecting the delicate balance of life on Earth. Jamaica, a model for the world. Jamaica, the land of wood and water, is writing a new chapter in its story. A chapter where tourism and sustainability walk hand in hand, where communities prosper not at the expense of their natural treasures, but in harmony with them. This is not just a Jamaican story, it's a beacon of hope for a world grappling with the environmental and social impacts of mass tourism. From the depths of its rainforests to the vibrant coral reefs that fringe its shores, Jamaica is demonstrating that conservation and economic development can coexist. It's showing the world that tourism, when guided by principles of sustainability, can be a force for good, empowering communities, protecting biodiversity, and preserving the very essence of what makes a destination truly special. The world is watching, and Jamaica is leading the way. Its success stories, like that of Treasure Beach, are not isolated incidents, but rather a testament to the power of collective action, innovative thinking, and an unwavering commitment to preserving our planet's natural heritage for generations. The power of one, a collective journey. The journey towards a more sustainable future for tourism starts with a single step, a single decision, a single act of awareness. It's about recognizing that each one of us, as travelers, as consumers, as citizens of this planet, has a role to play in shaping the world we want to inhabit. Choosing ecotourism isn't just about ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about making a conscious decision to support businesses and initiatives that prioritize sustainability, that empower local communities, that minimize their environmental impact. It's about traveling with a purpose, leaving behind a positive footprint rather than a trail of destruction. Every dollar we spend, every choice we make, is a vote for the kind of world we want to create. By supporting ecotourism, we are investing in a future where travel is not a guilty pleasure, but a future painted green, embracing the promise of ecotourism. The future of travel is not about building walls or retreating from the world. It's about building bridges, fostering connections, and embracing the diversity of cultures and ecosystems that make our planet so extraordinary. It's about recognizing that we are all interconnected, that our actions have consequences, and that we have a shared responsibility to protect this fragile planet we call home. Ecotourism offers us a path forward, a way to experience the world's wonders without destroying them, a way to connect with local cultures without exploiting them, a way to create economic opportunities without sacrificing our planet's health. It's a journey that nourishes the soul, broadens our horizons, and leaves a legacy of hope for generations to come. As we stand at the crossroads of environmental crisis and a growing thirst for authentic travel experiences, let us choose the path less traveled, the path that leads to a brighter, more sustainable future. Let us embrace the promise of ecotourism, not just as a trend, but as a way of life, a commitment to preserving the beauty, diversity, and wonder of our planet for generations to come. Please visit Jamaica and experience ecotourism firsthand, or share your thoughts and travel experiences in the comments section.